Hi guys, so welcome to our tutorial today. So today we will be discussing about add-ins, how to implement our custom widgets or our add-ins widget in GMD. So let's get started. So first thing, be sure to check out our demo showcase, and then what you can do is you can search add-ins or even select which one you want. So for now, we will be using the avatar in order for us to create this custom widget. So there was a source code and also the website, the open source library, a JS library. We just wrap it through JSON wrap in GMD in order to use it. And here you can see also the supported platforms, which version of browsers it's supported to, and these are the samples of the avatar widget. So let's get started. So first things first is make sure you have the dependency of the add-ins. So as you can see here, so we have the add-ins and the version is 2.3.0, so I'm using that. And next thing is you go to your module XML with that XML. So make sure you are inheriting the with material add-ins. So we have also supported basic if you don't want the resources to be loaded, and also debug, so if you want the source to be compact, not compressed. So okay, so let's get started. So first thing, once you define that on this structure, on the UI binder structure, so here on the namespace just add a namespace to your add-ins line, to your add-ins resources. So MA, which stands for Material Addins, and here you can access all the add-in widgets. So right now we're using MaterialAvatar, and this MaterialAvatar, we need to set the name or value. I think there's a value, yeah, to be something else in order for us to generate the the avatar. And I think it needs with. Okay, so let's see the source code. On the source code, you can see the view.xml. Maybe we can just copy this. Yeah, okay, let's discuss the view later on. So once we refresh the page, yep, so you see that, so we have the avatar generated. You can change anything else there in order for the avatar to be changed. Yeah, so the avatar is usually used on the unknown pictures. For example, the profile picture of a person, if they don't provide the image, then you can make use of the generated avatar. And I think you can also we have size, the size sets the object size. This size does not include decorations such as border, margin, padding. Okay, so so maybe we could just use the width instead of the size. We can make it big, small. Yeah, so you see that, so we can change the size, and maybe we can just make this 60 pixels. And UI field avatar. There are also options we can construct. So avatar.set dimension, we have dimension, we have options. So on the avatar options, so let's see if what are the available options that we can do. So you can have the back color. So I think the back color right now was default to transparent, but you can set it, for example, we can just make use of the hexadecimal colors, and then we have also options that set use you have use lightness. So I think the lightness I do use first. Let's go to the documentation, official documentation of this one. Yeah, for JavaScript. So yeah, so here you can check all the properties, yeah, the config. So here you have use limits the possible use in generated icons. The user specified as an array of use in degrees. Yeah, so we have also the lightness color. You can also grayscale it if you want saturation, back color. So it's just a color modification inside the avatar items. So you can for example, here you have a update. I just have an update options. So the update options are, if you go back here, we have this. Yeah, you have used there back color and padding, and you have also the lightness option. You have the saturation option. So once I update that option and then reload, yeah, so you can see that the previous one, so it's saturated and inverted its colors. So that's what it does. And also you can also auto reload it. So once you type something, so on the what do this, you can on the Java class, so you can just register the click error, yeah, and then you can call avatar reload to reload the avatar, whatever value you are setting into. So that's what it does. And yeah, I think that's the basic uses of MaterialAvatar. So I hope you enjoy the what do you call this tutorial.